In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subtask for a subtask in ClickUp. We're building a simple, nested task structure so you can break big work into clear, manageable pieces. This is great for projects where a main deliverable has several parts, and each part has its own mini checklist. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, plus share a few tips to keep everything organized. First, open the parent task where you want to add your work. You can get there from list view, board view, or a search, whatever's fastest for you. Click the task to open its details. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the task description, comments, and other details in the sidebar or full screen view, depending on your layout. Inside the task, scroll until you see the Subtasks section. This is where the hierarchy begins. Click the +Add Subtask button, then give the subtask a clear, action-focused name. If helpful, add details like a brief description, a due date, or an assignee. These fields make the subtask easier to manage later. Keep names concise and consistent so you can recognize them at a glance. Next, open the subtask you just created by clicking its name. This opens the subtask in its own view, just like a regular task. You'll see its description, comments, and, importantly, its own subtask section. This is where we create the nested layer. Scroll to the subtasks section within the subtask and click Add Subtask again. Enter the name and details for the nested subtask. Think of this as the smallest unit of work in your chain. If you're planning multiple nested items, keep a logical sequence in mind so your hierarchy makes sense. Something like plan, build, review, rather than a random mix. From here, you can repeat the same process as needed. Each subtask can contain its own subtasks, allowing you to create multiple levels. ClickUp supports deep hierarchies, but it's usually best to keep things shallow and straightforward so your team can find what they need quickly. If you don't see subtasks right away, they might be collapsed. Look for expand icons to reveal them. And if your workspace uses custom fields or templates, those can help standardize names and details as you go without adding extra work. That's it. You open the parent task, created a subtask, opened that subtask, and added a subtask to it, with the option to repeat whenever your project calls for more layers. And that's how you create a subtask for a subtask in ClickUp. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more productivity tips.